Let me ask a question. Why are you keeping me from interviewing this man?
He's anti-American.
Because he is trying to make us look bad.
Do you believe in freedom of speech and the
Yes,
right
I do, but I don't believe that I have to
and that
listen
is
to
why
it.
we are gathered here today, is because we are exercising our rights as Tea Party members to have a peaceful meeting together.
And also your right to censor another person?
No, he came here only to cause trouble.
He can talk all he wants, but you're not going to hear him.
He has the right to speak. He doesn't have the right to an audience.
Okay.
That right. This is America.
And why do y'all feel...
Because he is a member of the Coffee Party, and the Coffee Party is being held over at the ACLU meeting. This is the Tea Party meeting.
Okay, and why do you feel compelled to keep me from interviewing him?
I'm not stopping you from interviewing him.
Well, you are blocking my camera shot, actually.
Well, here's the reason why.
See you later.
Okay.
Here's the reason why, is the cameras has not been going around and they've not been filming any other signs of the Tea Parties. The only signs that you want to film is of non-Tea Party members. That's what you want to do. You want to do that.
But I actually offered to interview both of them after I interviewed him.
Why him first?
I just saw him first.
He's got the bad sign. He's trying to make us look bad.
I think you're...
He's coming with his stuff. So I want to know something. If he is saying that America's bad,
What you all are doing right now, he loves it. He's eating it up.
Well, what? So what? Obama's a liar.
Why is Obama a liar, ma'am?
Honey, one thing when he says a lot of things, he's just a liar.
Okay, and could you clarify on that?
Well, I loved it up there when he said that, what was it, about the illegals not going to get health care? I tracked my senator down and he admitted he's going to get health
We're not
care.
going to have any lobbyists.
A lot of lies.
You name it. The list is long. Obama is a liar.
if he is so passionate
Like most
about what he's
politicians.
doing, why doesn't he do it on the street corner and elsewhere besides trying to come in and infiltrate a Tea Party?
Correct.
Because he wants you guys to do him. Y'all got all of Congress and all of mainstream media.
Have you asked him if he agrees with any of the Tea Party ethics?
Do what?
Have you asked him if he agrees with any of your ideals?
Yeah, I just did.
And
He said he used to be a Republican too, and I'm not a Republican. I'm a registered Democrat. I am. I'm a registered Democrat. And a registered Democrat all my life. But I don't agree with what's going on today. And we're not, and it's not because I'm a Democrat. You don't have to be a Republican to disagree with what we see. All of these people here are not registered Republicans. What we all are is registered Americans.
And now's the time to be a true American.
and how do you register to be an American?
Less rights in America, being an American, is someone who's not even from America.
Would you like to clarify on that?
And if the news media was so good, clarify
Clarify on how we have less rights than people that aren't American?
how we have less rights being Americans.
Our Constitution applies to us, not them.
Okay.
I can take
Constitution, they can make a constitution that can fix their own country.
What I realize is if you're an illegal alien in this country, you are automatically qualified for welfare and food stamps.
And how did you get that information?
Because I have one of my best friends happens to be an HRS worker, and she's the one who told me. And I have a trailer park, and they have to come out and go to those houses to let those people know what their benefits are. But there's no law on the books that tells them to go to an American's house to tell them what benefits they have.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot. Thanks for letting me interview you. Okay, now I'm going to interview him if you could just let me...
You're not.
Take him down the road where he belongs. Take him down the road.
We don't have the right to listen.
I don't want to be on camera or whatever, but
They can talk all they want. I'm sitting here listening, but you're not going to see them.
So once again, you do believe in censoring people who you disagree with?
No, they just have their own place. This is ours.
Okay,
Talk all they want. We just don't have to listen to them.
okay, but I want to listen to him.
Well, going down the road.
There's the ACLU. Go to the ACLU.
all right.
Just a local people.
Yeah, that's fine. He has, as much as I disagree with him, I fully believe in his right to express himself. The fact is that the Constitution does protect everybody's First Amendment right, and there's been precedent in the United States for such. I'm a Jew, but I fully support the right of the KKK to march in Skokie, Illinois, because they're expressing their freedom of speech. I have a right to disagree with him, but I'm not going to stand in his way of advocating for his position. If this is a Tea Party that advocates for expression of freedom of ideas and free people, we as people should not, and as Americans, should not be abridging somebody else's rights.
Do you feel like that was censorship, what just happened there?
I don't think it was censorship. I just think it was a bunch of people who were pissed off. And unfortunately, like I don't really think it was censorship, but and they have a right to do that, but it just paints them as ignorant. And as somebody who is a rationally informed political enthusiast, I hate seeing people that make what I believe in look like racism or censorship or whatever. The fact is, I'm an American. I believe in freedom of speech and freedom of expression, and he should be allowed to say what he wants when he wants, as long as it does not incite violence or incitement. Yeah, as long as it doesn't incite violence, because that's what the Constitution and the Supreme Court have ruled is acceptable.
Now, let me ask you a question really quick. Did you come down here as a supporter of the Tea Party movement?
I sort of support it. I'm not 100% on board with everything, but if I had to say, do I support it more than I disagree with it, then yes.
And do you have an opinion on the Tea Party protesters that spit on and shouted racial epithets at senators at the Tea Party protest for the health care bill?
I firmly disagree with the health care bill. However, again, I believe in civility in politics, and incivility just makes you look asinine and stupid. And if you can't defend your ideas with intellectual arguments, then really, I don't know why people are listening to them.
And would you describe the people that were just blocking that man's sign as extremists?
I would not. I would say that they're advocating their position. I wouldn't describe them as extremists. Again, they have their right to freedom of speech, but I just don't think that their right to freedom of speech should be infringing on anybody else's right to freedom of speech. You have a right to swing a bat until it hits me in the face, and basically what they were doing was, with the metaphor, like hitting him in the face and not allowing him his freedom of speech.
Okay, thanks a lot. Would you like to give your name?
No.
Okay, thank you.